It's game day, September 10th, Saturday. I'm at Akins this morning, early, grinding it out. Been grinding all week, been grinding all year, 365. You know how Real Deal gets it down. Today, we've got a Ford Bronco two-door custom Apex. Let's go. So I am going to the Georgia game today with my son Brady, and you execute, you outwork your competition. That way you can go check the dogs out. Check out this bad boy right here. Two-door Bronco custom Apex edition, looking amazing. Got the front winch in the factory modular bumper with our Raptor rigid triple fog kit down below, looking great. Putting out ample lighting legally on the road, plus floodlight spotlight combo. Got rigid lights up on the A pillar as well, emitting great light from side outcast and forward as well, with the Bronco script on the side. Took their flares, painted them to match. Did not come that way on this one, y'all. Looks amazing. We have Black Rhino wheels. The Arsenal and rugged wheel rendition that Black Rhino offers looks so great on certain applications. A 37, 12.5, 17 BFG KO2 all-terrain. The Fabtech 3-inch coilover. Our first time running this with Dirt Logic shocks in the rear. We've been wanting to run this kit for quite a while as well, and this two-door was our definite target. Also for the Go Rhino side, Raptor style step boards. Just a rugged rendition. You hear me say rugged all the time. This one definitely is. So subtle, you can see the Dirt Logic reservoirs just hiding and outcasting just ever so slightly. You know this thing means business. Sitting nice on 37s with that 3-inch and that coilover kit. Drove it yesterday. It rides amazing. I'm impressed with the overall ride quality of this kit. More to come on that kit. We'll do a full review just of that. Some Baja Designs lights out back to help that backup illumination, especially at nighttime. There's your reverse camera. Good look at the hookup there of your solid axle out back. The Dirt Logic shock. Dirt Logic is Fabtech's top tier shock offering, and you see you got your rear links as well just to shore it up. Richard Dove sold this one here at Akins. You got Akins right next door, our Willies accessory store here. You got Ford, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram parts right here, y'all. Let me know what you think about this rendition. I think it has a great balance of white and black and gray throughout with the rugged vibe, white tow hooks as well. Many more things we obviously could add to this one, but for now, I think this is a good starting point to get them in that Apex Edition upgrades. And you know, the coilover shock package there is gonna make a great difference in overall satisfaction because it's going to ride so good in the all-terrains as well. And I'll throw you a little bonus in before we head to Sanford Stadium to see Georgia take on Sanford today. We have Mac Daddy, Jason McDaniel, a man I truly love. This is his wife's Bronco Badlands Sasquatch, and with the TIS wheels on it, with a Toyo Open Country RT hybrid tire on 305 7017. He's essentially on 35s with the Sasquatch package, so did not need to do any kind of lift modification, much like my wife. Just modify slightly and roll with it. Looks great. The black with the gray in the wheel accenting the front grille and other slight variations of the Mick hardtop as well makes it a perfect balance to me. The final update on this one, got the camera mounted, y'all. So all that time talking about don't run this style bumper or a winch up front because you're gonna block your camera. Well, we figured out how to make it happen. Got your front camera there. Now it is slightly lower, so you're not gonna have as far as a depth out on your camera, but it does what it needs to do as far as giving you that front visibility. All right, y'all, that's it for today. It's a drizzly, rainy day, but we're still out here grinding it out for you. That's how we do it. Keep in touch for more by hitting that subscribe button and hit that like button too if you're feeling generous, because that means that other cool cats like yourself get a good chance of seeing this video. So for everything auto, Real Deal Neal, Akins Ford, Wild Willies, don't forget us, y'all.